My name is Sue Kreitz, and if you don't know, I have an upcoming Healing Mentorship Intensive program that takes you from your Spring Forest Qigong Level 2 and or Level 3 training to actually practicing being a healer. I wanted to take a few minutes to answer some questions about the program, and I also wanted to clarify what exactly the mentorship is, what we'll be doing together, and how this can help you build confidence as a healer. Over the past 11 plus years, I've taught Spring Forest Qigong levels 1, 2, and 3 to students and also provided hundreds of healing sessions to clients. What I've noticed again and again, I've seen students stop short of becoming the healers that they're meant to be, not because they lack desire, but because they lack confidence and clear support. This mentorship is for those who are ready to step into their role as healer, but want guidance, practice, and to solidify their practice in a safe space. I think we could all agree that now the world, more than ever, needs more healers. And if you're being called to do this mentorship might be just what you need to get your healing out into the world. And after years of teaching and mentoring students, I've seen the same thing again and again. Talented healers who understand the course material, they're excited to get going, but they don't have enough practice, feedback, and reassurance to step into their power. They leave a level 2 or a level 3 class all lit up and excited. They practice for a bit, and then over time it falters. They maybe don't feel they're doing it right. They're not clear on their detecting or even if this is working. This mentorship is here to change that. This is the step that you might find very beneficial after understanding and taking the training to actually living it, to becoming a healer. This mentorship is to help you move beyond self doubt and begin healing with confidence, trust, and joy, having fun. This program isn't a review of level 2 or 3. We will solidify those teachings, your detecting skills, and the fundamental healing technique. But once we've established that, we're going to go beyond form. We're going to go to the place that is the void, learning techniques to open up your third eye, to strengthen your relationship with your guide, your God, your master, the divine, whatever it is, and making the healing your own. This is about taking what you've learned as a foundation and moving beyond that, living it and integrating it in your unique way. This is going to help you get your healing out into the world. We will also look at ways on exactly how to do that, how to become a healer, where to go to start this, what do you need to do this. But the main focus of this mentorship is for you to practice, get feedback, and trust yourself. And again, going beyond the form into flow. Also, Master Lin has created extremely powerful techniques to help us open our third eye, to help us get into the void and emptiness, to strengthen our healing abilities. We'll be practicing those movements and meditations together in a group to activate this healing energy within us. And as Master Lin shares, the most powerful healing energy in the universe is unconditional love. We'll be learning how to activate that from a deep place and sending that. I will also go over the techniques that are specific to the 5 elements and the organ systems. Some we actually haven't taught since the original level 2 and 3 teachings, including opening up the head points, the lungs, the heart, the kidneys, the bubbling springs, efficient and specific techniques that can help you, but also as we get into the void, we're going beyond a lot of those things. And we can also work with the 3D imagery that Master Lin has more recently been teaching and working with the organs or whatever comes to us using that visualization. I will have extra handouts and visualization tools to help you. All the sessions will be recorded. You'll have a replay to go back to again and again. Over the past year, I have been practicing and studying healing quite intensively. And what I have come to find is right now, the energy is such that the healing has become simpler, more powerful, and more effective. So I'm going to share those discoveries with you, making this easeful and in flow. My goal is to help develop that within you, to build your confidence so you can trust what you feel and follow your intuition and make the technique your very own. We're going to be meeting every 2 weeks. We start November 19th to March 4th. So that's 8 live Zoom sessions, and each includes a teaching, a practice, a Q&A. Replays are included if you can't attend live. And a small group of 15. We only have 2 spots left, but there is also an option for those who want even deeper feedback and focus, a optional small group mentorship add-on with just 3 to 4 students per group. We meet on off weeks, so every second week on Wednesdays in the morning. If you've been wondering whether this mentorship is the next step for you, or you've been wanting to implement your healing, please join us or bring me your questions. I'd be happy to answer them. You can post them below this video or just send me a message. I'd love to talk about where you are in your healing practice and how to keep building confidence in your healing work. The world really does need more healers who trust their gifts, and I'd love to support you in deepening yours. I'll post the link below this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. And thank you so much for listening.